Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to download the Minecraft for free. So let's start. Open any browser and type here Minecraft download. And once you do that, go to this first link, official link of Minecraft. And then you will see here the download for PC. Now the Minecraft installer will be installed exe. You just need to run it. You can open it here and then double click on this setup to run. Now once you see this, you need to click on the I have read the accept terms and condition, then click on install and window is updating. Similarly, you can go to the Microsoft Store. This is a step number 2 to download it, and just click on Minecraft launcher here and click on get. So this is downloading now. You can see window is updating and it will take some time, so let's wait. Now once you see this welcome to Minecraft installation is done, time to play. So click on let's go here now, and you should have the Microsoft account to start playing the game. If you don't have anyone, so you can create it from itself here, create new one here, and if you have that, you can simply sign in with that account. I'm going to sign in with that account and then I will show you later. Now once you sign in successfully with your Microsoft account, thereafter the picture you will see here, you can even edit it or you can name it. So I'm leaving it blank to save and continue. You can note down your ID and username here. So I'm clicking the option save and continue. So here how you will be appeared. So you can customize this logo as well, but not as of now. I'm going to save and continue. Additional diagnostic data, you can select it, share additional data or only required data, then click on continue. Now you will see welcome back here. Just click on let's go. Now it is redirecting me to look for the option. I said play a free button here, then I can simply click on this option and it is now relaunching. So again it has come up with a sign in with the Microsoft account. Now you will see this kind of window here. Just click on Java Edition, and first you can try it for free. This is the free trial for users, and later on you can buy it.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Now you will see finally the continue button here. You can see here the button. So this is how guys you can play it, and it is free for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.